Hi, I am Abby Bennett with Monument Realty, and today we're going to talk about some home warranties. I am here with...
I'm Jamie Flynn with HomeServe Home Warranty.
Awesome. Okay, so tell us, what is the difference between a home warranty and home insurance?
So, a home warranty is going to cover mechanical failures due to normal wear and tear, where your homeowner's insurance is going to cover acts of nature, fire, anything like that.
Okay, and for some of our first-time home buyers and things like that, home insurance is required. A home warranty is technically, it's not required.
Not required.
Okay. Why is it important to have a home warranty?
Well, for a few reasons, of course. And so, as we've spoken about before, something as great as keeping money in the bank, not having these huge, unforeseen things happen and being unprepared. So it's just another form of insurance. If you call somebody just not having the home warranty, your service fee is going to be $75 with most home warranties. If you call somebody else, it might be $150 to $200. So there's a savings there. Just various things, but mostly because it's going to be something that helps save money for you, save time.
And I've also never had a buyer who got a home warranty that said they regretted it.
There you go.
What should a buyer look for when they're shopping for home warranties?
So I always like to tell people that when you're looking for things, it's always good to look at limits, what they cover, just to make sure that it's the right coverage for you and that you're making sure. And then, of course, if you have a local home warranty rep that can help you do that, that's always helpful as well.
Which would be you. That would be yes. Thank you for listening.